you know, gotta get the outside POV. A little sea puppy. A little something something. Oh. You know, it's the one thing I hate about this car. You can never find a spot to put your keys. It's currently Valentine's Day, if you can't tell. This car could be behind us, but you know, it's cool. It's cool. Oh, another one. I got a little ducky. It's a weighted ducky, actually. I think my favorite thing about this car is how lightweight the clutch is. It's got a lightweight flywheel in it. 2025, a little something something for the boys. You know, put her in sport mode, see how much she eats. About to head back home, get a little something POV. Waiting for the remark exhaust to come in. Hopefully it comes in shortly. That'd be nice. Really like that. Yeah, it's a fucking beautiful day out. Not really. It's actually really cold. I feel like this year, all it's been is snow, snow, snow. And I don't know if it's because I shovel every time it snows, and so I'm just so super aware of it. But why did it give me a green light and that person could walk? Now I feel like a dickhead. Ah, it happens. Life moves on. I'm a tad bit thirsty right now. You know why I need tinted windows? Is because I hate filming and then people are like, what is this thing on top of your head? People will stare at you. Ah, quick little water break. Oh, I hate that shit. And it's hot as balls in here. Can you say balls on YouTube? This fucking car eats. Next car, M4. Or next car, M4, M240i, one of the M's, you know. Hey, if I'm feeling spicy, M3 comp. M3 comp, who knows? Fucking traffic, man. I just want to eat. I want to feel the car. I want to go vroom vroom. Yeah, last time I said that though, I got pulled over. So, in Mexico though, we're in Mexico. Oh, yeah, it's a crazy spot in Mexico right now. Love Mexico. Or is this Venezuela? I'm not sure. This is Venezuela, isn't it? I'm in the Caribbean. I don't know why it's snowing in the Caribbean. It's a bit of a weird thing. Oh, you got people on the side of the road. Silly mailman. The mailman in the Caribbean is actually crazy. I just want the car to eat. I just want to eat. Let me eat. Oh, of course I'm on a fucking hill. Oh, my favorite thing. My question is to manual drivers. If you ever see a car just coming up on you super fast, sometimes you know, I'm not gonna lie, I do a little rollback. You know, scare the shit out of somebody. Sometimes I just play with it, like look, and then they stop. Or the ones that want the insurance money will just stay right there. Eat, little car, eat. You know, stock, this thing moves. I love the fact that you can still hear the blow off. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but But you can still hear the blow off in the turbos in this. Sir, what are we doing? You can still hear the blow off. Yeah, Valentine's Day. Anyone got any Valentine's Day? Any Valentines in their lives? Let's feel this car. Eat, eat, eat. Love the F1 shift lights. Fucking Venezuela to the max. Love Venezuela. It's a little cold in Venezuela right now. Yeah, sometimes you just gotta do a little tuck and dive. Woo! Almost wasn't about to have a Valentine. Could feel that. But yeah, got a little ducky for Valentine's Day. He's gonna drive today. Do your driving. I can't see. Alright. Got myself my girl a little flowers. You know, a little chocolate covered almonds, you know, she loves those. And then a card, you know, gotta write something very kind and sweet. Oh no, there goes my flowers. Write something kind and sweet on there. What do you guys do on Valentine's? You guys big on Valentine's? Or are you guys kind of like, another day, another dollar? I feel like for women, it's a little more, like I asked her to be my Valentine's. People are like, well, why aren't you dating? And I was like, yeah, but it still makes her feel important, you know? I feel like people who say, oh, you shouldn't ask your girl to be a Valentine's, you're just not a gentleman. Make her feel special. It's a special day, you know? You go through your motions, you hope you get lucky. You know, the normal stuff. I feel like sometimes you just gotta, you know, go that extra mile and make her feel special. Make her feel special, make her feel wanted. There ain't nothing wrong with that. You just gotta put your guard down sometimes. Too many men just let their... That never happened. Too many men just let their egos control them. And that's how they lose good women. I truly believe that. They lose good women because some men are afraid to put their, you know, their egos down, or, you know, their friends. They're afraid what their friends will think. And at the end of the day, man, a loyal and loving and supporting woman is worth more than its weight in gold, you know? It's worth more than $1 million, and that's coming from somebody who's been treated bad and been treated good, you know? But I hope you guys do enjoy these driving POVs. So many more of these to come, because I love driving. No! Let the car eat! Let the car eat! Woo! Flowers are on my lap. They keep falling. Good thing she's not gonna ever see this video. I do have a problem where I overshift because I want to hear the car, but that's on me. But I do hope you guys have an amazing Valentine's Day. But, alright. Hope you guys enjoyed that little POV. There's a lot more of those to come. But yeah. There was a little Valentine's. I hope you guys have a fun Valentine's. I hope you tell all your misses and misters, I don't know, whatever you like. I don't judge. 2025. You know, I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day. I'm gonna go in and, you know, hopefully get a little something. You know what I mean? But yeah, 2025 SI. I love this thing. M is next. definitely a BMW is next. I want that rear wheel drive. Who doesn't though? You want to be able to swing it. You always want to be able to swing the car. I don't know anybody who doesn't want to be able to, you know, do a little drift around the corner or something. But this car just eats in the corners. There's nothing like it. But more POV drives to come. And I hope you guys have a great day. And I'll see you in the next one.